Hey! We got another tutorial for you. Today, we are going to learn how to connect your Shyplite account with Return Prime to auto-generate return pickup requests without going anywhere. You now need to log in to your Shyplite account. Once you are in, open the Settings option by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and then the three dots. Click on the API option. Click on the Regenerate button to get the private key. Now copy the private key, seller ID, public key, and app ID. Now you need to enter these details in the Return Prime's logistics section. We will now connect your account with Return Prime. For that, you need to go to your Return Prime dashboard and open Settings. Click on Logistics and choose Shyplite from the list and click on the blue Activate button next to it. Enter the required details, which we copied from the Shyplite dashboard, and hit Save and Activate. We are all set now. Now whenever your customer raises a request, you can approve it using the Shyplite option available under Logistics Partner, and a tracking number will be generated instantly right from here. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions, issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.